Season's greetings, friends, and welcome to your Michigan Compass. Today, we're celebrating the holiday spirit at Canterbury Holiday Stroll. It's in Lake Orion, Michigan, so come along with us on this fun holiday adventure. Santa Claus greets us at the entrance right before we check in. They are requiring masks for entry. You see some elves here. These are some of the shops here at Canterbury Village that you can go inside. They have a Christmas market upstairs, and this is a made in Michigan market. And this is the other side of the Michigan store. You can find Michigan apparel. Right over here we have the Village Marketplace. And we're going to head inside and see what they have inside here. This store seemed to carry a lot of different foods. They had some honey, some various gourds. The refrigerated section along the back wall has different beverages as well as local dried sausages and jerky. And if you've got a sweet tooth, they've got some fudge on the table right here. Heading outside once again, we see the Christmas tree and we begin our holiday stroll. Tons of inflatables everywhere. Giant snowmen. And way back over there, a giant Santa Claus. He's got to be 30 feet tall. Lots of lighted archways. Oh, this one came to life. right in front of us, a giant snowman. He's huge. Oh, up here, it's the Nightmare Before Christmas. Hi, Jack. Boogie Boogie, Sally. So apparently even aliens celebrate Christmas, I guess. Look at all those alien elves with their hats on. So you can also get beer and cider here. They have Fourth Coast Cider Works, and they have hard cider. There's a fire pit and a few tables. The building that houses the Carousel, including the area immediately around it, has a very cool synchronized light show that goes along to the music. Unfortunately, I can't use that music in my video due to copyright issues. Oh, it's the Grinch and Cindy Lou. Hey, Grinch. Also located near the Carousel is this fire dancer, and if you see her, you have to stop and watch her show. She was amazing. I had to slow this part down. This is just amazing. Watch this. Hey Snoopy, how's it going? Merry Christmas to you. So they also have a stand that sells hot cider and hot chocolate. It's $4 per cup. Over here we have a tiny toy soldier, and he's standing in front of a giant inflatable toy soldier. Taking a look inside the building that houses the Carousel, you'll notice the Carousel is closed right now, but they do have vendors inside this building selling various local goods.
This is Santa's workshop. As you can see, our elves are currently hard at work making toys for children. Hey Zippy, what are you currently working on?
Making sure that this slinky is bouncy enough. It looks like it's working.
I believe so.
You think it looks good?
It really lives up to the name.
Well, that can go with the other one. Get ready for later. Let's see, right? It's big.
And then, of course, quality assurance.
Lots of gingerbread people and sweets to eat. And look right there, it looks like we're coming up on a gingerbread house. Look at that gingerbread house. Just to the left of it, we've got an inflatable gingerbread man. To the left of that, I see a reindeer. And then, look at that. It's that giant Santa Claus we saw earlier. He is gigantic. The Christmas tree over in this area was also synchronized to music. Hello. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
included in the cost are your free photos with Santa.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
As you exit the holiday stroll, they do have some adult beverages that you can buy here. Here's some of the items that they have. This tent is selling s'mores kits for the kids. Here's a look at the prices and the items that they have over at that tent. Hot dogs, brats, burgers, chili, and chips. Well guys, I hope you really enjoyed this video. I had a great time here tonight. I highly recommend checking out the Canterbury Holiday Stroll. I'll put a link in the show notes to where you can purchase tickets and come out with the times and the dates that they have available. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to click on that compass to see more videos just like this one. And remember, adventure's just a short drive away.